Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. Today I want to talk about decluttering your home in less than 30 minutes. And what I mean by this is putting everything away and getting rid of things that are maybe out that no longer need to keep. Now, I have a habit of working on this almost every day. It's part of my practice as a human. So it doesn't take me 30 minutes every day. It's actually quite less than that, but I prefer that over spending, 1 6-hour chunk trying to get through my home. So here are just some practical tips that I'm going to give for you. I always start in, one of two things, either in the kitchen, just start doing dishes. We just dig in, we unload the dishwasher, we fill it back up, or wash the dishes that have been sitting there, maybe the pots and pans, whatever. Attack those first or attack the laundry. So those are the two big pieces where that's something that I really feel I need to do that almost daily, or it ends up being way too big of a chore. So whether it's putting in a load of laundry, collecting all of the laundry through the house, splitting it up into whatever kind of loads I feel like washing, putting it in the machine, moving it from the washer to the dryer, or taking it out of the dryer and folding it, or simply just taking time to put it away after it has been folded. That's a huge one. I try to do that as often as possible. And then, like I said, dishes. So if I can get my dishes done, it typically cleans up my whole living room. Kitchen. The third thing is taking papers, right? So any incoming papers. Is this kids stuff? Is this my mail? Are there things that I have to do? Sorting through those papers on a daily basis. So typically, if I can get after those papers that are coming in, either from kids or mail, if I can get the laundry done or started or a portion of it, and I can attack the dishes, that is going to almost knock out 80% of the clutter in my house in less than 30 minutes. Now, if we add on maybe putting toys away or putting things back into their bin or putting shoes in correct bins, things of that nature, that's going to be that maybe other 20%. But if we can keep it very simple, that is going to be my tip for you. So figure out what are those big movers and shakers for you and your house, and how can you address them in 30 minutes or less in a daily basis. What does that feel like, and how does that work for you? So let me know what questions you have in the comments. I would love to answer them, and we will see you next week.